Did you know marble cake was first created in Germany back in the 19th century? Bakers combined light and dark butters to make a cake that looked as beautiful as it tasted. And today, this swirl of chocolate and vanilla has become a classic in homes all around the world. Welcome back to my kitchen, and let's bring this timeless beauty to your kitchen with my soft and moist marble cake recipe, the perfect blend of chocolate and vanilla swirls in every slice. Well, let's get started. Always prep your baking tin before everything. As usual, this is how I'm doing it. Just grease your baking tin, then dust it with some flour and remove the excess flour. Then place a parchment paper nicely, ensure it sticks well, then set aside. Next step, in a bowl, sift all your dry ingredients together. This is baking powder, baking soda, and some corn flour and all-purpose flour. I'm going to sift them all together to incorporate the air. Sifting your flour when baking a cake is optional, but it helps your cake to have a good texture once baked. It also helps remove any clumps, and you will have a smooth cake batter. All the ingredients and their exact measurements are listed in the description box, so check it there. Give your dry ingredients a good mix to ensure everything is well cooperated. And then set aside and let's work on our wet ingredient. In another large bowl, cream the margarine. You can use butter, I'm using margarine, and sugar plus oil. This is vegetable oil. Using a hand mixer, I'm going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. Scrape the bowl all the way down using a spatula to ensure everything is nicely combined. Then beat it for the second time until all the sugar crystals are done. This step is the key of making the cake soft and airy. Don't skip it. Ensure your butter is light and pale in color, just like this. Set aside and let's crack our eggs. I'm using 4 medium room temperature eggs. Doing this, I'm cracking one at a time on a small bowl, then I'm transferring it to the other bowl. This is kind of taking precaution not to mix the bad ones with the good ones. We don't want losses here. Then add the eggs one at a time into your batter and beat it well after each addition. This is the secret to moist and soft cake. Ensure your wet ingredient is nicely whipped until it's soft and smooth. And add vanilla essence flavor and continue beating. Actually, this is my vanilla cake recipe, and then just going to give it a twist at the end with some cocoa. Once done, gradually add the dry ingredients, the flour mixture, into the wet ingredients. Give it a mix or just fold it in, alternating with the milk. I'm using buttermilk. All my wet ingredients are at room temperature, so you're going to mix this until just combine. Don't overwork the batter. This will keep the cake tender. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel much welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, and press the notification bell for more amazing recipes like this. I've just added some vinegar to activate the buttermilk and baking soda. So the vanilla part of our marble cake is done. So we are going to turn half of this into chocolate cake. Now I'm going to divide this batter, almost half of it, into another bowl, and I will leave one plain vanilla. In another mixing bowl, add cocoa powder, sift it in to remove any clumps. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and fold it together. Mix 1 teaspoon of instant coffee with 2 tablespoons of hot water. and this will enhance and intensify the chocolate flavor in the cake. Add it into your batter and fold it in until it's nice and smooth. Once done, pour the butter into your prepared baking tin. I will start by adding my chocolate butter, and then I'm going to add some vanilla butter on top and spread it a little. And this layering will continue as I alternate both chocolate cake batter and vanilla cake batter until all the butter is gone. And this is how we create the beautiful marble. Kindly let me know what you feel about this content. I need your honest opinion. Do you think you are heading somewhere? I'm trying to get monetized, but still having low views despite all the effort. Let me know the kind of recipe you'd want me to share with you so that it will be on my next list. Like and watch this video up to the end so that the algorithm can push it to more audience. Once done layering, tap your batter down to remove large air bubbles. Use a skewer or toothpick to swirl your batter together. Run the skewer from the edge to the center and wipe it in between before you run it again in your batter. And repeat it until you have this pretty pattern looks like a flower on top. And this will go to the preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius and bake for 50 minutes to 1 hour or until the toothpick comes out clear. And my cake has been in and out of the oven. Let the cake rest in the baking tin for about 10 minutes before transferring it into a cooling rack and let it cool before slicing. Just look at this beautiful flower pattern on the top, and it smells heavenly here. Let's slice it and see how inside looks. Just look at those beautiful swirls. Soft, moist, and so delicious, I tell you. This marble cake is perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't for more homemade recipes. Chocolate and vanilla perfectly balanced in every bite. Check on my cake playlist for more cakes recipes. See you in the next one.